Hi guys, it's Alyssa here. Today I'm going to be playing with slime. Oh my god, it's gone on the floor. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you saw, I probably didn't press record in time, but I just made a massive bubble. So I'm going to try and recreate that bubble. Get ripped. This time, it's kind of stiff. It's got a good click. So, yeah. Try and make that bubble. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, but that bubble is massive. Like, I'm just gonna... Yeah, so, yeah, this was just going to be a quick video on this slime. I will be making, like another slime, like later. Yeah, and I will post that. If you watched my last video, you would see that I made a blue slime. That was, yeah, and definitely dry my hands, like, this slime is going hard. That's it for today, guys. Bye.